Figma has just already the most significant updates to date, enhancing its functionality like never before. In this video, I will guide you through all the thrilling new features and demonstrate how to utilize them in your designs. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, Figma has completely revamped the editor's UI. The most noticeable changes in the new modern yet minimal interface. The toolbar is now located at the bottom inside of the top, featuring several new tools. We'll discuss them later. Don't worry, the overall panel structure remains the same, so there is no need to relearn everything. Currently, not all Figma users have access to those changes, as they will gradually roll out in the coming months. However, if you want to early access, you can join the waitlist by clicking the question mark icon and selecting Join AI Waitlist option. This gives you the opportunity to experience the exciting new feature before the general release. The next update focuses on auto layout. For those who will find certain components with the auto layout challenging, Figma has introduced on the other layout suggestion features. Simple, right-click on your components, like cards, and choose the option to guess the suggestion frame structure for making them responsive. This feature also works for the larger design parts, such as complete pages, though a concert may vary with the larger elements. Next, let's discuss Figma new AI features designed for streamline your design process and improve workflow. When facing a blank page, the AI can generate an initial design to jumpstart your creative process. If you need to rename all your layers, the AI handful is with a single click, saving you a tedious task of manual renaming. Additionally, the AI can rewrite content. You don't need to worry about drafting description and titles during the early design stages. Another fantastic AI feature is a one-click prototype option, which connects your pages automatically, saving you a lot of time. To see your design in different languages, use the translation options to make your design more accessible across various languages. Figma has also collaborated with Apple and Google to bring you the official UI keys, now available in the Asset panel. This is a great addition for designers looking to closer follow those platforms' design guidelines. Now let's talk about Dev Mode. In a Dev Mode, the new status like edited or completed make it easy to communicate in changes and readiness, supporting a smoother development process. You can also view your design on any screen size with the new responsive prototype viewer, a highly anticipated feature I know you have been waiting for. Lastly, Figma has introduced a new product called Figma Slides, the first presentation tool built for designers and their teams. Figma Slides make it easy to co-create narratives, engaging Q audition and craft impressive slide decks. With features like auto layout, advanced properties, and shared libraries, you can even use prototyping options within your slides. Copy a prototype of your design and pass into your slides to allow for an interactive presentation. You and your audience can also use polls and alignment scales to get real-time feedback. Additionally, you can toggle on design mode to edit your slides, just like in the editor, and the AI adjust tone options let you tailor the tone of your text to be shorter or longer, more professional or casual. There you have it. Figma's latest updates are truly game changer. Make sure to explore those new features and integration them into your workflow when you will have a chance. What's your favorite features? Leave it in comment below. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the channel for more content. I'm Przemysław. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time.